चलो देखो, see exercise 1.3 question number 3, prove that 1 by root 2 is irrational number. Let we suppose that 1 by root 2 is a rational number. Let me suppose 1 by root 2 be a rational number. By contradiction method, we prove 1 by root 2 is irrational number. हमने पहले सपोज कर दिया 1 by root 2 क्या है, रेशनल. If a number is rational number, that form is p by q, that is equal to p by q. P and q both are integers, q not equal to 0, and SCF of PQ, that is equal to 1. Okay? Then q is equal to root 2p, otherwise squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, we get 1 by root 2 square, that is 1 by 2, that is p square divided by q square. Therefore, q square is equal to 2p square. If q square is equal to 2p square, then next step is, bolo, q square is equal to 2p square. Therefore, q square is a q square is divisible by 2. Therefore, q square is divisible by 2. Therefore, q is also divisible by 2. That resulting value 1. Q. q square 2 से divisible है. Otherwise 2 is a factor of q square. Otherwise ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं 2 is a factor of q square. 2 is a factor of q square. If 2 is a factor of q square, therefore 2 is a factor of q. 2 is a factor of q. 2 q square का factor है. 2 is a factor of q square. Therefore 2 is also factor of q. Okay. Let let q is equal to 2m. Let q is equal to 2m, where m belongs to z. M belongs to z. M is an integer. Let q is equal to 2m. Squaring on both the sides. Q square is equal to 4m square, because squaring on both sides. If squaring on both sides, q square is equal to 4m square. But what is the value of q square? Q square is equal to 2p square. Therefore, 2p square is equal to 4m square. 2p square is equal to 4m square. Therefore, p square is equal to 2m square divided by 2. दोनों को मैंने 2 से डिवाइड कर दिया. So what is here? 2 is a factor of p square. Therefore, 2 is a factor of 2p square का factor है. Therefore, 2 is also the factor of p. 2 is a factor of p. That resulting value 2. In first resulting value, 2 is a factor of q. In second result, 2 is a factor of p. तो 2p का और q p और q दोनों का फैक्टर है. From result 1 and 2, we get 2 is a factor of p and q. p and q both. दोनों का फैक्टर हुआ 2. 2p का भी फैक्टर है और q का भी फैक्टर है. Therefore, SCF of PQ is equal to 2. SCF of PQ क्या हो सकता है? 2 हो सकता है. पर हमने क्या सपोज किया? Both are rational number and its SCF is 1. But SCF of PQ is 1. is 1. Therefore, हमने जो सपोज किया वो क्या हो गया? Wrong. Therefore, our assumption is false. Our assumption is false. If our assumption is false, तो हमने क्या assume किया था? 1 by root 2 is rational. Therefore, 1 by root 2 is irrational. Is irrational number. 1 by root 2 is irrational number. Hence, proof. Okay, clear? 7 root 5 is an irrational number. Prove करना है. Therefore, let 7 root 5 is rational number. 7 root 5 is rational number. And the rational number form is 7 by root 5. 7 root 5 that is equal to P by Q. P and Q both are integers. Q not equal to 0. And SCF of P comma Q that is equal to 1. SCF of P comma Q that is equal to 1. Squaring on both the sides. Therefore, root of 5 is equal to P upon square root 5 is equal to P upon 7 cube. Square root 5 is equal to P upon 7 cube. And that is a form of, therefore, P upon 7 cube is a rational number because it is numerator and denominator form. If the number is rational number, the number is rational number. Therefore, root 5 is also rational number. Therefore, root 5 is a rational number. But we know that root 5 is irrational number. We know that root 5 is irrational number. Therefore, our assumption is false. Therefore, our assumption is false. Therefore, 7 root 5 is irrational number. Is irrational number. Okay. Question number 3. That 6 plus root 2 is irrational number. Let me suppose the number is rational number. Let 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. Therefore, 6 plus root 2 is equal to P by Q form. Where P and Q are integers, Q not equal to 0, and SCF 6 transposing right side. Therefore, root 2, square root 2 is equal to P by Q minus 6. That take LCM P minus 6Q upon Q is a P by Q form. Therefore, it is a rational number. Therefore, P minus 6Q upon Q is a rational number. That form is A by B. Rational number. And the number is a rational number form, A by B form. If the number is rational, therefore root 2 is rational number. Root 2 is a rational number. If the number is rational number, then root 2 is a rational number point. We know that root 2 is an irrational number. Therefore, our assumption is false. Our assumption is false. Therefore, 6 plus root 2 is irrational number. 6 plus root 2 is irrational number. Terminating maximum only written. not recurring. Terminating decimal. Terminating decimal means if the decimal expansion of rational number p by q is terminated. If decimal expansion of the rational number p by q is terminated means if you divide by this number, if a rational number, if any rational number divide by the denominator and remainder is 0, then the number is terminated. That is comes to an end. That means comes to an end. Then the decimal obtained from p by q is called terminated. p by q form ऐसा होना चाहिए terminate हो जाता means remainder is 0. That means prime factor of the denominator. Prime factor of denominator is either 2 either 2 or 5 or 1. Denominator prime factor 2 होना चाहिए 5 और दोनों हो सकता है. Suppose 7 by 5. Denominator is 5. If 8 by 6 to 5, that is a 5 to 4. 9 by 20, that is 2 square into 5. If we have 2 and 5 more, 30 by 200, that means 8 into 25, 4 into 3 into 5 square. Then all numbers are terminated. And the next one, non-terminating, repeating, recurring test. Non-terminating does not end at the The remainder is sum of the numbers other than the 0. Remainder 0 is equal to 1. The decimal expansion obtained from p by q. Repeat. Repeat. Suppose the number is 1.3 and the number is 0.3333. And then number remainder is never be 0. It is 0. Then it is called a non-terminating, repeating, recurring factors. Okay. The prime factorization of the denominator either 2. This can either 2, 5 or more. दोनों भी नहीं हो सकता. वो भी नहीं हो सकता. 5 के otherwise दोनों नहीं हो सकता. 7 by 3 either 2 nor 5. 8 by 17 either 2 nor 5. 9 by 20 इसमें 2 है पर 5 तो नहीं है और एक और फैक्टर आया 7 जो 2 और 5 के दिया. As the number is non-terminating, repeating, recurring. 25 by 24. One of the factor is 3. That is neither 2 or 5 or more. Okay. Here, theorem 1.5. Let x be a rational number. X will be a rational number. And the decimal expansion is terminating. Then x be a rational number and whose decimal expansion is terminated. Decimal expansion क्या है? Terminated means n with the digit. That number is 0.2. That number is terminated. Then x can be expressed in the form p by q. Convert into the form p by q. X can be expressed in the form of p by q. First p and q both are integers and both are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers, that means there is no common factor other than 1. इन दोनों का कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं होना चाहिए. 1 के सिवा exactly 1. Co-prime numbers means SCF of PQ is 1. And the prime factorization of Q means denominator. Each of the form always 2 raised to n and 5 raised to n. If the prime factorization of Q is 2 raised to n and 5 raised to n form, the number is terminated. And for m and n, power of 2 and 5, that is m and n, both are non-negative integers, means whole number. M और n दोनों क्या हो चाहिए? Non-negative integers, that means whole numbers होने चाहिए. For example, 0.45, that is 2 digit after decimal point, that means 45 by 100. The number is 45 by 100. Prime factor of 45 is 9 into 5, 100, 20 into 5, 5 by 5, and 9 by 20. And 9 by 20 both are co-prime numbers because its SCF is 1. And their number is in p by q. So decimal form convert into the p by q. Okay. For q, decimal exponent, q, prime factorization of q is 20. And its prime factor is 2 into 2 into 5. That is 2 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 4, 5 raised to 1. इस ऑफ द फॉर्म ऑलवेज 2 raised to n and 5 raised to, ये जो डिनोमिनेटर के प्राइम फैक्टर से वो ऑलवेज 2 raised to n और 5 raised to n के फॉर्म में आने चाहिए, और ये उसका पूरा कन्वर्स है थ्योरम 1.6 that x is equal to p by q is be a rational number, अगर rational number है such that the prime factor is from 2 raised to n and 5 raised to n, q का prime factor क्या होना चाहिए 2 raised to n 5 raised to n, और n and m both are whole numbers, but x is a decimal exponent, तो डेसिमल एक्सपांशन जो जो नंबर होगा वो रेशनल नंबर का डेसिमल एक्सपांशन क्या होगा, डेसिमल एक्सपांशन which is the number ends with a, for example 7/8, 7/8 is a p by q for b number, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 by 5 का पावर होना चाहिए, तो मैंने उसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, we multiply 2 raised to power 3, then we multiply 5 raised to power, if 2 raised to power 2, then we multiply 5 raised to power, here 7 by 2 raised to 3, we multiply 5 raised to 3 by numerator and denominator both, 7 as it is, 5 raised to 3 means 125, and base are different, exponent are same, then product of their base 2 into 5 into 3, 2 into 5 is 10, 10 raised to power 3, that is 1000, 5 into 7, that is 875 divided by 1000, and its decimal expansion is 0.875, and the number is terminal. Okay, theorem number 4.7, let x be a p by q is a rational number, that number is a rational number such that the prime factorization of q, suppose the number is 13 by 13, prime factorization of q, q is 13, its prime factor is 2 into 3 into 5, is not in the form of 2 raised to n and 5 raised to n, ये फॉर्म में नहीं होना चाहिए, मींस प्राइम फैक्टर ऑफ q is other than 2 और 5, उसका कोई एक फैक्टर 2 और 5 के सिवा होना चाहिए, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ q is not in the form of 2 raised to n and 5 raised to n, here prime factorization of q is 2 into 3 into 5, 3 is other than 2 or 5, okay, for n and n are both are non-negative integers, then x, then the given number, the decimal expansion which is non-terminating, तो उसका decimal expansion क्या आएगा, non-terminating, non-terminating means continuously periodically over repeated periodic, और more continuously three क्या होगा repeat, if three number is repeated therefore 0.431, and the number is in p by q, okay, the number is in p by q, okay, therefore that number is also a rational number. The next one, non-terminating, non-repeating, non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. The number is an irrational number. If the number is non-terminating and non-repeating, if a number is non-terminating and non-repeating, both conditions are satisfied, and non-repeating. Non-repeating is recurrent. Decimal. Expansion is called an irrational number. For example, 2.10, 100, 100, 1 4 times 0, 1 dash dash dash. 5 is also irrational number. Root 3, root 5, the number are irrational number. 7.8 to 8 equal to 8 4 times 2, 8 dash dash dash. The number is non-terminating, non-repeating.
is called an irrational number. Okay.